1.4. Question number 1. Find the union of each of the following pair of sets. First one, x is equal to set of 1, 3, 5. Y is equal to set of 1, 2, 3. Second one, A is equal to set of A, E, I, O, U. B set of A, B, C. Third, A equal to set of x such that x is a natural number and multiples of 3. B equal to set of x such that x is a natural number less than 6. Fourth one, A equal to set of all x such that x is a natural number and 1 less than x less than or equal to 6. B equal to set of all x such that x is a natural number and 6 less than x less than 10. Fifth one, A equal to set of 1, 2, 3. B is equal to empty. Here I explain some of the problems remaining I give to homework. The first problem, x is equal to 1, 3, 5 and B is equal to solution. B is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, 2, 3. Now x union y equal to 1, 3, 5 union 1, 2, 3. The elements A union B means either the element in x or in y. So select the elements in order. First element take 1. Second element 2 is any one of the set. Second set having 2, so take 2. Here 3 is containing both. But we are enough to any one of the set 3. Now 3. And next element is 5. Any other elements? Here 1, 3, 5. Here 1, 3, 5 is the 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So this set contains all the elements of set x as well as set y. So this is x union y. Then second, now the second one do yourself. Third problem, A is equal to the natural number and multiples of 3. So the first number 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 up to etc. That is infinite set. And B is equal to set of all x such that x is a natural number less than 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is not coming. They are less than 6. Not less than or equal to, less than 6. Now A union B is equal to the elements. Common, we take the anyone. The elements are in either one sets. In first set having 1, 2 there, 3, then 4, 5, 6. Hereafter only the multiples of 6, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 up to etc. This is A union B. The next problem, sum number 5. A equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to Q. So pi. Empty set. Now A union B equal to, already we know the A union B is equal to A union empty. A already we see that identity law of union. A union empty is equal to A. This is equal to 1, 2, 3. So now homework, sum number 2, 4, 2 and 4 homework. 2 and 4 homework. Now question number 2, let the A equal to set of A, B and B is equal to set of A, B, C. Is A contained in B? What is A union B? Here a solution, A equal to A, B and B is equal to A, B, C. Here all elements of A is an element of B by the subset definitions. Therefore, A is subset of B, and A union B is equal to A comma B union A B C. The union of the sets is equal to A B C, that is A. So we have the result. This is applicable for all the sets. If A is subset of B, which implies A union B is equal to, this is B, equal to B. So this is general rule for all. This set is applicable for all the sets. If one set is subset of another one, the superset will be the union of the sets. This is subset. A is the subset of B. B is the superset of A. Now, problem number 3. If A and B are two sets such that A is subset of B, then what is A union B? So similarly the same as the previous problem. Given A and B are two sets such that A is subset of B, taking one for example, I prove this some examples. A is equal to one set 1, 2, and B is equal to another one set 1, 2, 3. Now clearly A is the subset of B because all elements of A is an element of B. Then A union B, what is the union of A and B? Contain all the elements in either one of the either sets. So 1, 2, 3 is the biggest set of B. Therefore, A union B is equal to B. Therefore, if A is subset of B, then A union B is equal to B. Is a superset. Now, question number 4. If A equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, B is equal to set of 3, 4, 5, 6, C is equal to set of 5, 6, 7, 8, and D is equal to set of 7, 8, 9, 10. Find A1 A union B, 2 A union C, 3 B union C, 4th B union D, 5th A union B union C, 6th A union B union D, 7th B union C union D. I explained some of the problems, remaining I will give to homework. Do yourself. First problem, first solution. First problem, A union B, this is equal to first set A. What is the set A? 1, 2, 3, 4. Union B, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, sum number 5. A union B union C. First find any two unions. A union B. What is A union B? 1, 2, 3, 4. Union 3, 4, 5, 6. This is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, A union B union C is equal to, that is union always is associative. A union B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Union C, what is C? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now homework problems remaining 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 7, up to 7. These sums are homework.